Hey guys, welcome back to the shop today. Today we're going to be installing an O2 sensor into our header. We are going racing this next weekend. That's 2 days from now. Today's Wednesday. We're hoping to head out Saturday morning. So a buddy of mine borrowed me his AFR gauge from Fast. I've never actually had one in the car, so it'll be good to actually get some readings and see how rich we really are, because I know we're rich. It smells rich. Your eyes burn if you idle it too long. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna get underneath the car and I'm gonna mark out where my O2 sensor needs to go, and we'll take it out and drill a hole and weld a bung in, and away we go. So stick with me here and let's get going. So one thing you want to do when you're installing an O2 sensor is to never have it angled upward or beneath your exhaust. You want to go for sure straight out the side, if not upwards. You do that to not get moisture sitting in there. So once you shut the car off, and any condensation or water or whatever will sit in your O2 sensor and cause it to fail. And especially because this isn't my unit, I don't want that happening. So I'm going to put it in straight, because I don't really have much room to angle it upwards. Hopefully that'll work. It won't be in the car for very long, and if I have fear of it getting wet in there, I'll just take it out. So I'm going to drop the header out of here right now, and hopefully we can get the hole drilled and we'll weld in that bung. Hey guys, so I got the header out. I lost a little bit of footage. I ended up having to take the starter out. I was struggling a little bit to get this guy out of here. I had to take the starter out off the block to get enough room to get it out the bottom. So I have it sitting here. There she is. Yes, it's a two-piece header. This piece slides in there like so, and bolts to the block that way. This your frame rail goes through here. That's basically for the big block Oldsmobile inside a G-body. That's basically what you'll get. These are hooker headers. I think they're like 1 7/8 primaries or something like that, and a 3.5 inch secondary. But I'm gonna set this thing up with a drill. I'm gonna drill a hole, and we'll see if we can get that bung welded in. I might take it to my buddy Jake's and see if he'll let me use his TIG welder again. That was a lot of fun last time, and maybe I'll TIG weld it in. But for now, I just want to get the hole drilled and get that bung set in there so I know what I'm doing, and we'll go from there. Stick with me. Okay guys, so I just got back from my buddy Jake's place where we welded this bung onto the exhaust. You can see it here. Definitely, you can see an amateur did it. But hey, that's my second time ever using a TIG welder, so hey, it's on there. We're going to get this exhaust manifold or this header back into the car. Once it's back in the car, then I probably do a test fire, make sure it's all running, and we'll test out the gauge once I get that wired up. And then it's load the trailer, and tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. we're taking off to the track. So let's get this thing in there, and let's see if we can get her done. Well, guys, I screwed up. I welded that bung on, and I got it too hot, and now the O2 sensor does not fit. So, I'm going to have to purchase tap that's the right size, and I'm going to have to tap the threads out so I can make that thing fit. If I were to try putting it in now, I'm just going to strip the thing. I could get it in there, but again, it's not my unit. Don't want to wreck it. So, we're just going to show you some of our passes we made on the weekend. They'll roll to the end of the clip. Sorry I couldn't get that thing in, and I know I was a little bit of a rookie. I didn't have the camera going very much at the racetrack. But here's some videos of our passes. I'll also put a few passes of my buddy Jamie's and Wes's truck. That's that turbocharged S10. There's one of my videos where we were getting him up and running. I'll put that in the link here. So yeah, hopefully you subscribe. Hopefully you like what you see. There's more coming. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks.